Palace Sauce. I'm here today to show y'all how to make a lemon pepper fried turkey. Always make sure you wash, your meats off before you cook them. So everything's been washed off. I'm in the process of just patting it down, getting all of the excess little water off of it. We're going to be injecting her with this lemon pepper sauce. I wouldn't let it marinate too long because it has vinegar in it, so you don't want the vinegar to sit too long on your meat. So I would say no more than a day, to let this marinate on your food. Welcome back, guys. We're here. We let our turkey marinate overnight. We let her sit out after we took it out of the refrigerator for a couple hours because you wanted to get room temperature. So here we are. Pretty, she's ready to go. So we're gonna put our turkey into our pan here, the top of the fryer, and set it down. So we're gonna pour the excess juice all over it. We got this Butterball turkey fryer here that I like to use. Good with frying turkey. Put out once a year for fried turkey. This turkey is 11 pounds. We like to cook it 3 pounds per second, 3 pounds per pound. So it's 11 pounds, and so we'll cook it for 33 minutes. Plus we'll add an extra 5 minutes onto it to make sure that it's done. So it'll be a total of 38 minutes we're cooking our frying our turkey. Drop it in slowly. Drop it in too fast. We'll set our timer to 38 minutes. Another thing that we like to use, that I like to use personally, is peanut oil. I know some of you guys may have maybe allergies or something like that, but peanut oil is usually better with frying turkeys, so it won't burn it as fast. But you guys use whichever you would like to use. But for my preference, I use peanut oil, and you will see that's a lot of that's pretty much popular to use when you're frying turkey. All right, guys, we just took our turkey up out the fryer. Come over here and take a look at it. See how she looks. She looks beautiful. Once again, it's a recap. We kind of, of how we made our lemon pepper fried turkey. We washed off, marinated for overnight. We used our Palace Sauce lemon pepper here to marinate it with. Brought it back out from overnight. Let it set out to get room temperature for about an hour or two. We used our peanut oil here and we put it in the fryer for 38 minutes. Like I say, you cook it 3 minutes per pound. So our turkey was 11 pounds, so we cooked for 33 minutes and we added an extra 5 minutes onto it. So it'll be, we make sure that it's done all the way through. And here's the finished product of our turkey. Until next time, our next video, we'll see what we have. And we'll be trying trying some different flavors out on some different wings and different kind of meats and stuff like that. So let's stay tuned for our next video. Yeah.